See, our target is hit. This is the power of this strategy. So 1:2 done. Hello traders. Today I am going to share a trading strategy. It works for everyone, beginners to experienced. So for this you will need only a indicator, which I will show, and I will show the setup of the indicators as well. Here you can see my chart, which is US 30, and the movement is bullish, but I did not take trade here because of the impulsive move. The move occurred when the NY session is open, but in my strategy you have to wait, let the market to complete move, and then 100% it will give a pullback. After the pullback, when I got the confirmation with my indicator and the market movement, then I place the trade, and this strategy's win rate is 80%, above 80% actually. So you can try yourself and also backtest. I have backtested over 100 trades and I'm doing this, getting good results. That's why I'm showing with you guys. This is a proven strategy and it's easy to use a simple indicator which is moving average, but this is different. And the setup is, I will show the metrics and setup. And what I'm planning a upside trade, something like you can see here is a big consolidation, and then breakout and a big move, and then a pullback here. And also I will use my Fibonacci to indicate the pullback. Here you can see mostly I use this three zone, which is 50%, 61% and 70% zone. And also this is a 200 EMA, and this is a 15 EMA, and this is a 9 EMA. So it's one indicator, and also I use Fibonacci. After that, when I got a perfect pullback, and then I entry something like, if I see this 5-minute candle close above this 50% area, then I will enter something like this, and my SL will be below this 70%, and my TP will be next high, to make your risk reward ratio at least 1:2. So let's see what is the indicator. Here you can see the Fibonacci, and let's see the Fibonacci. Here you can see keep 0 and 0.618 and 1 and 0.5, 0.706. This is my Fibonacci setup. And let's see the indicator. Here you can see the indicator. If you search on the indicator using TEMA, so here you will see triple EMA, which is TEMA. Click on this triple EMA, which is TEMA, and click on these two, and one EMA for 200, one EMA for 15, and one EMA for 9, and all must be close. And also you can use your own color. After that, the EMA will be set like this. And also I showed my Fibonacci setup as well. Then you have to detect the move. Here you can see the market was in range while after that it makes breakout to the upside. Here you can see when it crossed here 15 EMA crossed 200 EMA. Then when the breakout occurs, you have to wait for the full move, and then when the pullback is start, you have to use your Fibonacci tool from the move low to the move high. If the move is bullish, or if the move is bearish, then you have to use the Fibonacci from the high to low. Then you have to wait for the zone, that means 50 to 61, which is a golden zone, and sometimes it's come to the premium zone, which is 70 area on your Fibonacci. Then you can mark this zone or this zone 61 to 70. After that, once market comes in your zone, you have to wait for a good candle in your side. If market is bullish, then you have to wait for a bullish candle at least 5 minutes. If the candle is 15 minutes, which is more better. But if market is so fast and volume is high, then you can go for 5 minutes and wait for the candle to break your zone and have to close the above 50%, or if the market comes from 70%, then a bullish candle have to close above the 61%, that means 61.8%. after that you can enter your position here, something like this. If the candle is, and the SL will be little bit lower previous bullish candle, then you can target the last high, something like this. So I am waiting for the zone and it seems candle is trying to come in this zone. If a 15-minute candle close above the 50% zone, then it will fly, something like this. So this is the plan and whole process. This is a very easy strategy. You can use it in any pair, especially NAS 100, which is US 100 and US 30, and gold as well. And it works on BTC, Ethereum, and all the FX pairs. I tried. This is so easy and beginners friendly and most profitable strategy I have been used ever. And now this is my permanent strategy. You could try and master it. Hopefully you will be profitable with this strategy, which is so easy. There is not much complication. There is no need to find a fair value gap or any order blocks, any liquidity or any gibberish stuffs. So it's a beginners friendly with a high win rate strategy. You can use it for small or big account. I will update these setups results in my Telegram channel. Here you can see, as per our strategy, our trade is activated here, and our stop loss will be here, and our target will be 1:2 here. Because of it comes from below 70.6% and the candle is closed at the next level. So based on our strategy, we will enter here and our target will be 1:2 minimum, or we can increase our target to 1:3 as well. So let's see what happened. Our previous plan was above 50% and now our trade activated at the above 70.6%, which is in our golden zone. So you can see it gives almost 1:1. Hope it will hit our target. Let's see what happened. I will record all the updates time to time and attach in the video so you can justify yourself that this strategy is power and how accurate is this. So let's wait for the target, at least 1:2, which will be around here, around in this candle. After that we can increase 1:3. So let's see. As well as FOMC is coming, market volatility will be increased. If not happen any unexpected move, then it will hit our target easily, because I believe in my strategy. It's a strong strategy. 80 to 90% time I get my target. Here you can see 1:1 is done. So our first target around in this candle, yes, in this candle actually, and then next target will be 1:3 in this candle. Wait for this. Let's mark our target, first target here, and our second target will be here. So market is moving well in our direction. So see you in the next update. FOMC is started and market is moving in our direction. See, our target is hit. This is the power of this strategy. So 1:2 done. If you take your risk reward 1:2, then this strategy's win rate is above 80%. And if you increase your risk reward ratio 1:3, 1:4, 1:5, then it will lower the win ratio. So here you can see I planned the trade and explained my strategy, set up indicator and mapped our zone using Fibonacci, everything on screen, and the target is hit on screen as well. So there is nothing hidden. You can see the strategy, and this strategy works for every pairs in crypto, gold, indices, commodities as well. This is very easy and beginner friendly strategy, not much fancy like SMC, like ICT. I don't like those because they are used so many fancy steps. I don't like. if you keep your strategy simple and with a decent win rate, it's easier to trade without hassle. And also you can see we got all the confirmation to enter the trade. We got a consolidation, a breakout and impulsive move. After that the pullback, and we mapped the zone with the Fibonacci. Candle close above the 200 EMA near around the next level, and I entered immediately. Then my stop loss below the previous candle. Set my target is 1:2 and the target is hit here. You can see this was our primary target. 1:2. 1:2 is more than enough to be profitable with this high win rate strategy. I keep the Fibonacci to make you understand. Otherwise, I just used to mark the golden zone and then I remove the Fibonacci, and the chart is much clear. So to get Forex educational video and learn more strategies, you can join into my Telegram channel. Also, you can follow my all the channels like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram from my video description. If you get some value from this video, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Join the Telegram channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.